To program a key fob for your 2006 Chevrolet Silverado, start by preparing the vehicle. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert the ignition key into the ignition, but don't start the engine. Next, cycle the ignition by turning the key to the on position, which powers accessories but doesn't start the engine, for 2 to 3 seconds. Then turn it back to off position. Repeat this cycle 3 times, ending with the key in the on position for the 3rd time. After the 3rd ignition cycle, the vehicle's security light will flash or the horn will chirp, indicating that programming mode has been activated. This may take up to 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds of hearing the horn chirp or seeing the security light flash, press and hold the lock button on the first key fob you want to program. You should hear a confirmation. The vehicle's doors will lock and unlock, or the horn will chirp again. Release the lock button. If adding more fobs, repeat the press within 10 seconds for each additional fob, up to 4 total. After programming the last fob, turn the ignition to off and remove the key. Test each programmed fob by locking and unlocking the doors and starting the vehicle. If any fob doesn't work, repeat the programming steps for that specific fob. If the security light stays on, try a battery reset or visit a dealer for a scan. Common problems include a dead fob battery, which needs a CR2032 replacement, signal interference from electronics, or a worn-out fob costing $20 to $50. For non-OEM fobs, always check compatibility first. Modern updates include OBD2 adapters for pairing fobs with smartphone apps, enabling remote programming and diagnostics with features like GPS tracking to prevent theft. Keep firmware updated to protect against relay attacks. Consider upgrading to hybrid fobs that combine RF with Bluetooth for enhanced functionality.